Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, reviewing, playing more, RPM for short. My name is Dennis. Today I'm doing a little bit of a retake of an M.2 drive install. Short video, something quick and easy to watch. Hope you enjoy. And it's very much like the new, well actually not new because now they've come out with the 970 Pro, but this is the previous version, which is the NVMe SSD 960 EVO M.2. Very tiny, not very big. Simple, easy to install. Hope you like it. Okay, so the things when you buy an M.2 drive that you want to look for, on here you can see that it says an M.2 2280 PCIe Gen 3 x 4 SSD. Okay, now there's two different slots on this motherboard. One is for the 2280 and the other one I believe is the 2210. So that one, when you look on the motherboard, is closest to your memory. It's this one right here. Okay, so that's where your little great looking little device right here, that's where it's going to go to. So it's going to go in there like this. You're going to put the screw in and that's going to fasten in place. And that basically is your 512 gig SSD for your motherboard. So we're just going to slide this in here. Okay, it just goes in. It'll pop down in here. And then this little screw is just going to go right in there. And that's it. Alright everybody, hope you liked that video. If you liked that video, hit that like. Subscribe to see more. Leave me a comment. Thanks for watching.